Lisa and I both like the idea of supporting local businesses where we can. And we previously had a quote for windows from, I think it was Everest, and they were just like ridiculously expensive. We kind of decided on Abbey for a couple of reasons actually. The moment for us was when we went to the showroom. So I found the whole process it wasn't a pushy sales job. It was like really understanding, giving us some examples, letting us touch and feel the technology that I read a lot about. What I found was here was a company that I started to feel comfortable with, so that if we signed on the dotted line, very quickly we'd move through a process of having full technical assessment, a survey done. There was a technical team lined up to support us. There was Richard, the project manager, and I felt comfortable that actually there was a really well-defined process to take us from the point we went, yes, we'd really like to do this, to the point of delivery.